method okay, so the reaction that we are taking is children, it is C2H6 which reacts with oxygen to give us carbon dioxide and water. Okay children, this is the reaction. Fine beta, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, put in two parts. So simply here which method we are applying children? Here we are applying variable method. Okay, so in variable method children, what we do in variable method, we consider the coefficients. हम सबके coefficients को क्या करते हैं बेटा? We consider their coefficient as A, B, C and D. Okay बेटा, ये क्या आ गया? A, B, C and D. We have considered their coefficient as A, B, C and D. Okay, now, so as we all know, if the reaction is balanced, then on both the sides of reaction, the number of atoms will remain same in numbers. Okay, so let's see here. So for carbon atom, we'll start with carbon atom. So carbon atom is there on left hand as well as on right hand side, children. So how many carbon atoms on left hand side we are having? Coefficient is A and here it is 2. So if we multiply it by 2, so we'll have how many carbon atoms on left hand side beta? It is 2A, and on right hand side carbon is present in carbon dioxide only. So how many carbon atoms we are having here? So here we are having
1.
C. हाँ, मतलब 1 into C. So this much is here. Is it clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This much is clear.
Okay, then we have another for carbon atom. This is fine. Now we have for hydrogen atom. So how many hydrogen atom we are having on left hand side, children?
6.
So hydrogen is present here only. Okay, in this compound only hydrogen is there. So this will be 6A
6A.
is equal to how much, children? And on right hand side, number of hydrogen that is present. Hydrogen is
1D.
present only in this case, beta. So here this will be 2D. Is it okay? Or this can also be written as 3A is equal to D.
D.
Is it fine, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we consider it as equation 1. We consider this one as equation 2. Now we are having for oxygen atom. Now we are having oxygen atom.
2B.
Ha. So this will be what, children? 2D. So in this case, what we'll have? Here oxygen is present here in this compound as well as in this compound and this compound. So on left hand side, how many oxygen atoms are there, children? It is 2 into B, and on right hand side it is present in carbon dioxide, that is 2C plus, yes children,
D.
D. Okay, यहाँ पर 2D नहीं आएगा बेटा. Here it will be C only,
1D.
right?
Only D.
1C ना plus. Okay. Okay,
Plus
it
C
will be
would be
2C. Okay, it will be 2C only. Okay, so here in this case 2B, in case of oxygen we have 2B number of atoms on left hand side, and on right hand side we will have 2C and D. Okay, so this is the third equation that we are having here. Okay, this is third equation. Fine, children. Is it fine, children?
Yes,
So
sir.
here,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
let us consider that we have 1 mole. Okay, we have 1 mole. We have 1 mole or 1 molecule of ethane. So A is equal to what, children? A is equal to 1. Now, putting this A is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get what, children? What will we get here?
C
So
equals to 2.
yes, beta. C is equal to 2. Is it fine, beta?
Yes,
Children,
sir.
is it fine? Now we know
Yes,
about
sir.
A, we know about
Yes,
C.
sir.
Now, next that we have to find is D. Using equation
Second equation.
second, we have 6A is equal to D, or I should write
3A equals to
3A is equal to D. So simply D is equal to how
D
much, children?
equals to 3.
D is equal to 3. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now, using equation 3, we have 2B is equal to 2C. So C is how much, children? C, we have calculated it as 2. So we'll replace this C by
4.
2. So this will be 4, plus we have D as 3. Okay, so here it will be what, children? This will be 2B, 4 plus 3, 7, or B is equal to what, children? B is equal to 7 by 2. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we know about A, we know about B, we know about C and D. So it's time to put all these coefficients value in the above equation. So we'll be getting A is equal to how much, children? A is equal to 1. So this will be C2 H6 only. B is how much, children? B is 7 upon 2. Okay. O2 reacts to give us C is how much, children? C is 2. So 2 CO2 plus D is how much, children? 3. So it is 3H2O. So you can write this equation as it is, or we are not familiar
Multiply
with
by
this
2.
thing. We are not familiar with this thing, children, right? हम बहुत नए हैं अभी इस चीज के लिए ना, with this thing 7/2. Okay, we are very new with this. ठीक है, तो हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा? So simply we can remove this 2 from denominator part. And how we can remove, children? How we can remove this thing from denominator part? So simply we'll multiply the whole equation by 2. So this will be 2C2 H6 plus 7O2 reacts to give us 4CO2 plus 6H2O. So this one is also balanced equation, children. Okay. And this one is also balanced equation. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
anyone
sir,
of you
clear.
have any doubt.
Yes, sir. Clear.